Well, here we are on a new day, and I forgot to turn the camera on. Anyway, I went up above because our bathroom light back here wasn't working, and realized that we de-wired it and didn't put it back together. So anyway, from the light, there's a wire that comes just above my head and stops, and there's a light switch over on this wall here that goes up to the same location and stops, but there's no power hooked up to it. So I went up there and put in a junction box. This is a normal nail-on that you normally put plugins in. Well, I ran the two wires in here, and I came out the other side with a power wire that I hooked into our new junction box up there that has the power. Got them all screwed together, got a cover on it, and now that light works. So anyway, the next thing we're going to do is up above here, we're going to put 2x4s in between each one of these ceiling joists to help strengthen that up. And then we're going to go ahead and possibly get this thing sheetrock. We'll see. So at the moment, Roy's busy pulling the nails. I'm measuring for the 2x4s to go in between each one of these ceiling joists. Little did I know until later that this is a waste of my time because we didn't even use these things. Roy's busy tearing out the old recessed light that was in there. It's antique. The lens is dark and whatnot, so we're getting rid of that. We're going to put that new light in the laundry room. And like I say, it'll also be running the one by the door that's a recessed light. We decided to take out part of the sheetrock because we're going to enlarge the hole to the attic, and also we have the hole from the old can lights. And right now, busy taking out the 2x4. That's where the wall used to be for the doorway going into what was the bathroom at one time. And as you take this sheetrock out, we're going to discover just how far those ceiling joists go and what we want to do to make it stronger and whatever else we can come up with. The reason why we're not sure why the 2x4s or the ceiling joists go very far, because this is another add-on to the house off the kitchen. And now Roy's ready to pull down that sheetrock. So here comes the dust. Door's shut. We have the fan in the window, sucking out as much as it can, so that way we do have a cleaner space. Roy's busy cleaning up the floor, and what that is blown-in insulation, the antique variety. So I'm not saying it's any better or any worse, just that we're not going to try throwing that stuff back up there. I come in and check the situation on just exactly what we want to do. I do know we need a bigger hole there. It's not like you can be going up and down there all the time, but just the same. It's nice. It's a little more comfortable having a bigger hole when you do have to go up there. So here I decided to cut the ends of the shorter ceiling joists that are tied in with another one. Cut them out so that way I can nail a 2x6 across them and support them better between the other joists that are up there. So just take a look and you'll see what I'm up to. Roy's going to screw the old sheetrock back up against the 2x that's up there. That way it doesn't come down. That's one part that we are going to leave. So this is our new hole size, and we did have one 2x4 that just didn't want to go up high enough. So we went ahead and pushed it up with a 2x4, got it nailed into place. Now everything's nice and level and looks good. Okay, I'm moving the camera in the way. We're going to be busy measuring the size sheetrock we need for that hole there. The first one's just going to be a straight cut. Don't have to worry about the light box being in the way. The next one we do have to cut out for the light box. And of course we're going to have to trim it a little bit after I get the hole cut, because you're never precise on that. Roy's finished screwing in the sheet, make sure it stays up there. I got to measure the next sheet for this light fixture to go through it, so let's see just how good I do. While we have easy access, Roy's going to go ahead and slide. We cut 3 foot long pieces, and it's at 3.5 inch, I do believe they call it, insulation. We're going to shove that up to the eave so that way the air can blow from the eave up into the attic to help cool it during the summertime. And then he's going to take the bigger insulation, it's 10, 12 inches thick, whatever, and slide that up next to it, but still have the ventilation going up the 2x4s in the roof. And here we're putting this board up, and of course, yes, we got to trim just a little bit where that light box was, but that's okay. I'd rather trim a lot instead of having a big hole that you really have to patch. Okay, so today wasn't that short of a day, but we didn't get carried away with anything. We got the sheetrock on the ceiling, we got the wiring done to the bathroom light, and we didn't really do too much else besides take a break, I think. Anyway, it seems like it takes forever to do whatever it was we did. You saw it in the time lapse. So anyway, I'm taking off, going home. We have to go over to Dad's because Kathy's here with her husband John, and we're having dinner over there. So we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like if you would, please. Until next time.